everyone, welcome back to the channel, Cottage Edition. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Mark, also known as the Rookie Grower, or TRG for short. Well, welcome to the episode. Today we're just going to show you we got some wood to split that we're going to start filling up our woodshed because it's starting to get a little low, and we have a pile of wood over here, a pile of logs that we're going to split up. We only got a little tiny 5-ton log splitter, so it's a little slow going, but we'll record it and show you anyways, and you know, I'll do all that time-lapse stuff for you so that you're not watching 2 hours of me splitting wood. And also, as we're going along during the day, we got lots of brush, fallen dead trees and stuff that we like to collect it and just burn it at the fire pit, just to clean up the property, try and promote new growth and stuff, you know. We do what we can. So let's get into it, and we'll get this day going. Alright, so that's it for today. Thank you for joining me. It was just a little bit of work today. That's one of the rules of the cottage is chores in the morning and fun and relaxing in the afternoon. So it's lunchtime, it's time to go have lunch, and that's it. We're going to relax for the rest of the day, and that's it. So, but there is one thing I did want to talk about as I was doing this. This is relating back to my indoor garden, and if you have the same and you're working outside and indoors, this is a big thing, because especially if you're worried about pests and stuff like that. And because I'm here and I'm getting dirty, I'm picking up old wood and stuff like that, and leaves, and there's bugs and there's powdery mildew on stuff. And if you get that on yourself, when you go home, before you go into your indoor garden, take your clothes off, go take a shower, because it's gonna get into your garden and it's gonna look bad. It's gonna go bad. People have potentially lost all their crops just because of that, not paying attention. And it's just something that you just don't even think about, especially with powdery mildew, because it gets on you and you don't even notice it. So I just wanted to show you. I'll show you on the logs. Come on, there we go. Let's see how close up I can get here to show you. There you can see, like, again, I'm not saying it's absolutely powdery mildew, but there's stuff there, right? It could be spores. I don't know what it is. So when I get home, it's going to be, change. Clothes are going into the wash, and I'm into the shower before I even think about going into my garden. So that's a lesson for you guys that have both, outdoor gardens and indoor gardens, or even if you're just doing work outdoors. So again, thank you for joining me this episode. Like I said, it was just a little bit of work today. We didn't finish out the whole pile of wood. We'll keep picking at it over the summer, and we'll do a little bit, and then I'll record some of it here and there. So again, have yourselves a good week. Be kind to one another. Take care of each other. Peace out.